Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to share with you how I package my ST order. I'm going to share all my tricks and tips for anybody that is selling online. It's a new type of video and I hope you're gonna like it, and I hope you're gonna learn something, and maybe it's gonna boost you up and probably make you start that little business that you have in your brain for a very long time and you may be doubting about yourself. So stay tuned till the end. First of all, I'm going to share with you how I store all the little bips and bobs that I need to prepare every single order. So on this box, on the top of it, I've got all my spice spoon, all my spice names. At the bottom of it, I've got everything that I need to prep every packaging. So I've got solo tape, thank you stickers, and I've got some pre-made spice packaging already done, like with the stickers, the name and everything. These are the spice description that goes at the back of the packaging, and also I've got some empty packaging without anything that I can actually personalize myself, and I'll have some envelope. So this spice box, I got it from Home Bargain. I believe it was $3.99. It's really helpful. Helped me to keep everything that I need in one places, and it doesn't take that much space. Really recommend. So now I'm gonna share with you how I go about packaging every single order. So I need the spice name, I need the address label, I need the spice description, I need the actual spice packaging, and I need the wrapping paper, the envelope, and the spice spoon if the order is over £15. So for this order, I have Bongo Chubby spice that I already made, but I've got some of the spice that I need to personalize myself. So I'm gonna take these blind packaging and I'm gonna personalize them with everything that I need. So first of all, I'm gonna put my label sticker. I got it from Every. I made you can order it online and it comes pre-made like that for you. Then I got the spice name that I make myself using my my printer, and I got the spice description with everything that you need, and that one as well I made it myself using my printer, and that's it. So once I've personalized every single packaging, all I have to do now is to get my scales and actually measure every single order according to what the client has actually placed. So in the bowl, I think I had an order for Jangsang, also called Apki. I believe it was 100 grams. So I'm gonna make sure that I weight the whole thing. Once I'm happy with the weight, I'm gonna transfer everything into the spice packet. That's it. Another tip is that you need to make sure that your spice are really flat as much as possible, because if they're really bulky, you might not be able to send it as a small parcel. You might have to send it as a big parcel or as a medium parcel, and that's quite expensive. So I'm gonna make the second pack of ginseng. I believe that order was 2 ginseng and 1 bongo chobi. There you go. I've got both of my ginseng 100 gram ready, and now I'm gonna make the bongo chobi. It's the same thing. I'm gonna scale it, make sure I have the right measurement, and pour everything in this. Now for the order over 100 gram I use the brown, and for under 100 gram I use the white. So that's it. I've got my order ready, all done. Now all I need to do now, I need to wrap it. Like I said, Tati spice is not just a spice, it's a gourmet spice. It's a whole thing, it's a whole feeling. I want my clients to feel like wow every time they receive the packaging. I want every single detail to be nice and beautiful. This is just the way I am when I'm doing accountancy, because this is my main job. I'm really like picky about every single numbers. Everything needs to balance. And since when I'm doing my business, my baby, I'm really serious about it. So I'll put this thank you sticker on the top, and that's it. I put everything in my envelope, and now all I have to do is to get the spoon, because like I said, for every order above £15 my clients get a free spoon. Now for this client, because she's so special to my heart, I decided to give her a special gift for a special customer. Hope you will love it. Happy cooking. She is such a supportive woman. She has been there for me, and she's really good. She's really, God bless her. So I decided to give her a little gift, and she was really happy about it. She wasn't expecting it, so she just sent me a message and said, "Oh, Tati, I got the gift. Thank you very much." And this just melts my heart. That's it. Now I'm gonna put the client's address on the top. I've got all this using my laser printer, and that's it. This is how I go about packaging all my orders. Right, I've just shown you how I go about packaging one single parcel. Now I'm gonna share with you some little trick and tips for small business if you're selling something online. Inside my packaging, you got the parcel plastic, the actual selling the parcel. I've got a paper. Then I've got all the order over here. Most of my order over here are coming from people watching my video on YouTube. Seriously, I was shocked, and few of them actually moved from YouTube to go and follow me on Instagram. I used to think most of my sales would come from Instagram, but funny enough, some of my sales, in fact most of my sales, are coming from people watching my reels, my shorts, and my video on YouTube. Yes, you heard it right. If you have a business, I would definitely advise you to open a YouTube channel to make videos and short about your product. Trust me, you won't regret it. Girl that contacted me on YouTube, and she said she heard a lot about penja, white pepper. She wanted to try it on, so she ordered the peppercorn and the powder. No. I think this as well is someone who wants to try on Cameroonian spice. She's not quite sure what it is, so she's ordering small portion. I call this sample portion for people that are not quite sure about what my spices are all about and they want to give it a try. Just get a small portion so that you can try. We got this one is a secret. You know, secret is a bestseller. I'm actually running out of it very soon. So you order the small portion so that you can try on, and definitely you're gonna kind of come back. So you see, I have a lot of this small order. This one is a short that I post on YouTube as well about that bongo chobi. I think I post the same one on Instagram, and she just messaged me and said I want all the ingredients. And funny enough, I sent her the link for my shop, and she was like, "Well, I can't be asked to fill all these things. I'll just pay you through and PayPal. I'll give you my address. I trust you. You're gonna send it to me." And yeah, that's it. So, and this one as well is a show that I post about the soya spice. So actually, I've got a lot. Most of my orders are coming from people watching my short on YouTube, and I'm quite shocked because, to be honest, I always used to think that my sales would come from Instagram. But looking at it, it's coming from YouTube. definitely. And ST himself is not recommending any sales at all. So this is the order for today. Like you say, for every order that is above £15, the person get a free spoon, spice spoon with the order. So this one is definitely over £80, so she's gonna get a free spice spoon. Same for this one. And every order also come with this thank you for your order also. So we're just gonna wrap this out and put everything in a parcel. I'm gonna print out the label, address label, and then go to the post office. Now I'm gonna quickly show you what I used to make my label. I used the laser printer from the Brothers. That's what I used to make all my spice description, all my spice name, my address label, everything. I'm probably gonna make a separate video on how I use my laser printer to make my label. If you're interested, if you want something like that, leave a comment down below and give me a thumbs up and share the video. Here I'm going to show you a little sneak peek of me preparing an order for a client all the way from Tampa, Florida, United States. So the order was for this special spice gift box, and everything I made something like that. It just makes me so happy, because I know it's probably someone that's making a gift for either the wife, the husband, somebody that they actually love and cherish. So I was making this order. I think I had about 3 like that I had to ship overseas. And another tips that I want to share over here is that if you're selling, I used to sell only in the UK until God spoke to me and said, Tati, you need to put international delivery. And since I've actually introduced international delivery, I've been receiving a lot of orders from United States. Alongside the flavor, the soya spice, the fish seasoning. This is the new pack available on my Etsy. It's the barbecue pack. Right, another tip that I want to share with you guys is that if you sell different kind of item, like a single item, I would advise you to find a way to make special pack, like put 3 items together. For example, I sell all of these items separately: the flavor spice, the soya spice, the fish spice. During the summer period, I realized that I was making a lot of barbecue and I was always using those 3 ingredients. So that's how I decided to make a barbecue seasoning pack. And since I introduced that option on my Etsy shop, the sales of these 3 spice have actually really increased. So find a way to make special pack for the kind of product that you sell. Obviously, every order above £20, you get a free spice spoon to help you. She's a very good customer. 3rd time making an order. So it's ready. Hello guys, if you've been to our website, you've probably noticed that we have different quantity of spice, and if you place your order for 100 grams, you're going to receive them in this beautiful brown packaging. So this is just an order that I've just done for a client. She ordered soya spice 100 grams, the secret 100 grams, and bongo chobi spice 100 grams. It comes in this beautiful brown envelope, like you can see, and every order above £15 comes with a free spice spoon. So there you go. If you love Tati Spice, it's more beneficial, more economical. Better option is to go for this 100 grams order. You get a discount for it, and it comes with a free spice spoon. So let me just get this into the post and send it to Mark. Here I was packaging another order. It was a 2-pack of the secrets, and then it was a 100 gram as well, so she got it into the brown envelope, and also she did receive a free spice spoon. Yes, we are now international. We can dispatch your order to USA and Europe. We do provide international tracking numbers for all our international order, and usually receive your order within 6 working days. And I still deal with everything that has to do with VAT, so you don't have to worry or pay extra fees once you receive your item. So what are you waiting for? Go on my Etsy page, that is Spice. Have a look around, and if you love something, don't hesitate to place your order. Okay, I'm going to share with you some beautiful comments that I've received from people that actually bought my spice, and really these are little things that's really making me happy. And voila, I hope you love the videos. I hope you love the video. I hope you learned something. I've tried my best to share as much as possible, because the main point of this video is to help every little small business out there, and to encourage you guys not to give up on your dream and try harder. I'll see you guys on my next video. Don't forget to like, to share, to subscribe, to comment, and let me know if you want more of this kind of video, and I will be more than happy to do it for you. I will see you guys on my next video next Sunday, and love you. Kiss.